Yes, my people, viewers and subscribers. So my viewers, I was about 3 videos showing now, right? I'm going to show you the type of mindset, right? Our Prime Minister setting putting at the youth them head. You see what I say? Yeah man, I'll show you man. Because people, this digital money now can work in our country. It will cause more crime, more robbery. You see what I say? Although man, I'm going to rob for money again of people. Man, I'm going to rob for food and clothes. So my viewers, I want to listen to them, brother. You see what I say? The type of premiums them have, right? With the Prime Minister, the type of meds the Prime Minister putting in them youth head. No, you can't force something upon like when you force vaccine power. No, my viewers and subscribers. Please subscribe and like and share this video. You see what I say? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Can't hurt my family.
I am willing to take up on because this cashless system equals slavery. I don't lie, I tell my brother, I fucking true. All of this cashless thing, where you see them a force pan way, what them a implement, what them a come in with, them a go have access to seize with money and tell we where fi spend with money, who fi spend with money with, and when we not do what they say, and take microchip, and take vaccine, and fuck man, and believe in a man and fuck man, and believe in a man can be blood clot woman, and woman can be man, we nah go ever can do what we want blood clot, do what that they want do. They want we fi line up in a line from 3 o'clock a.m. in the morning until blood clot 9-10 a.m. in the morning for 1 pound of flour, 1 pound of sugar, 1 pound of rice, and little blood clot vegetable, not even chicken in and go give it them can go suck my mama with that. Me ready for fight and dead for me right. Bumbo will then take a right long time, but make we
Yeah, them little people that puppet my friend. You see me? Not even a classy as my friend, cause you're a pussy. You see me? Not even a classy as pussy, cause pussy is a good thing. And the wholeness. You're a little shit, brother. Tell her. You know with Jamaican people, you see me? Something we figure out long time still, you see me? Cause all you fit turn your back on the poorer people, brother. How you fit do that, brother? You see me? You know no fighting spirit in you. People them will control your bad man. You know no mouth, you know what? You're not ready, you know fight for Jamaican people, brother. And I tell you see them little bumbo all over vote you in my youth and I tell you this. See? They know no sense. You see me right now, you know, you say enough of them start bumping back like ball, cause guess what? And I feel your hands now in a pussy. You see me, them I feel your hands now. You see me? And I feel your hands, bad man. You see me? You can't deal with Jamaican people, so you. What about the people them that offend the bad man? What about the people them you don't hear? No. I saw little man here come and talk about this thing. I hear no bigger heads that talk about it and I say, yo, watch out, this a can't work.
war I go on my father. War I fi go on. Cause them thing what them a do, we not gonna sit down and accept them thing. War I go on. I want to see the man them start burn down the government building them. Yeah, government the building them fi start burn down. And then fi start light bonfire in the street them. Light one whole heap of old car tire and them something there. Yeah. And fuck Jamaica house. The man them fi make go come together and fuck Jamaica house. You think police and soldier they are like blood civilian? You know fi make we get mad. You know fi just make we start up all the police car them, fling bomb in a blood clot station them. Everywhere we fi mash up. We fi just start mash up the place. Police and soldier and nurse and teacher we are asking you please fi come out, come protest. You know see amount of money why government them a take for them pay and then give you 4% and no work for them. It's a damn shame man. Fucking shame on you Prime Minister.
People hear the youths them meds. This is the type of thing. You see what I say? The Prime Minister pushed in the youth them head, build more crime. You understand what I say? And that will go on anyhow. You see what I say? These digital money coming in our country. You You understand what I say? Anyhow, them brings digital thing in our country, it will cause a whole heap of crime and all these things. It's my say Jamaica head down the road right behind 80. You understand what I say? The country going to turn upside down because remember people, most people in Jamaica are poor people. You understand what I say? And when this thing are coming, remember me tell the people, a whole heap of hungry, it's my say, hungry picnic, hungry adults, people are want clothes, people are want food, and remember the Chinese and the supermarket are going to feel it and see the people who can afford it, they're not going to reach home with the for them grocery, they might get man are going to juke them and take away them grocery from them before they reach them yard. Even party, no fun no one go party, right? I want to touch out the road on the south, who now go back in on the yard naked. Please subscribe again, viewers. You hear that?
How can you be sitting there telling me that you care, when every time I look around, the people suffer in the suffering?